Hi, my name is Heather and I'm from Grady Veterinary Hospital. I am here today to tell you a little bit of how to help your little guys and girls with a big move. So one of the first things you guys can do is you can just slowly bring in boxes or something that's not abnormal around them that you are going to use to move. It'll help calm them down a little bit as well. You're also going to want to slowly start boxing things up. If you know when you're going to move, just kind of gradually do it. A lot of times if you rush into things, it makes them a lot nervous. And then you guys can just take and show a lot of affection and be with them a lot more and just show them more as well. When you go to bring in a new cat or just bring in the cat carrier and then slowly introduce them to the cat carrier and keep it in a room, keep it covered with a blanket or a towel. That'll definitely help with cats. Throw a toy in there that they'd like, or just there's some treats in there to get them used to the carrier, and then go from there. With dogs, so the best thing is to just kind of slowly put in their toys in a box and going from there and not rush into things. So extra love on these guys and just taking and showing them that you love them and that you're not going to leave them. So if they have a cage or something that they normally stay in, then I would recommend just taking and waiting for that. Pack that up the last minute and going from there, and then slowly introducing them to the boxes and all the commotion towards the end when you're about to move. Just kind of put them in a car or in the cage so they know, or leave them outside if you can, if you have a fenced in yard, and then slowly go from there. Another thing that you want to watch for is how anxious and nervous they are. If they're really nervous, then I would recommend trying to just keep somebody with them that they're used to. Cats, they're going to want to hide, so I would try and keep them in a room. Especially when you get to the new house, I would keep their cage covered and keep them in a room that they're going to stay in with food and water in a litter box. And keep the door closed for a good 24 to 48 hours, and they should be fine from there. And after the 48 or 24 hours that you decide to do, I would take and just go ahead and let them have free roam of the house and go from there. The dogs, a lot of times they adapt a lot more, easier for you. So I would just let them do what they normally do at night and just keep them with you. If they're too anxious, then you can always put them in the kennel, or if they free roam, you can always keep them in one room or another.